This is the NYSCP update for the LSPs for October 2023. There have been a number of new procedures, practice guidance and 1-minute guides which have been updated or reviewed. These include concealed, denied or late presentation of pregnancy, managing injuries to non-independently mobile children, parental use of substances and alcohol, modern slavery and human trafficking, submitting referral to the NRM, professional resolutions, guidance on writing child protection policies, childminder and early years self-assessment audit tools, and the modern slavery and human trafficking 1-minute guide. This is a groundbreaking piece of legislation that will change the way that children are safeguarded online, and it will protect children by making social media platforms undertake a number of activities. These will include removing illegal content quickly or preventing it from appearing in the first place. This can also include content promoting self-harm. It will look to prevent children from accessing harmful and age-appropriate content, enforcing age limits and age checking measures to ensure that those are in place for whenever anybody accesses a website, ensure that the risks and dangers posed to children on the largest social media platforms are more transparent, including publishing risk assessments, and provide carers with clear and accessible ways to report problems online when they do arise. Further information will be available as this piece of legislation gets implemented. Safeguarding Week for 2023 was very successful. We had a total of 44 virtual sessions held over the 5 days, and these were attended by over 1,112 delegates. 117 delegates fed back the survey results of the North Yorkshire Safeguarding Adults Board, the Community Safety Partnership and the Safeguarding Children Partnership. Of these, 61% of delegates stated that they attended for professional interest, with 39% for personal or professional. 76% attended more than 2 sessions, 34% attended 2 sessions, 12% attended 1 session, and all people who fed back reported that they found the sessions to be informative and also found them to be engaging, with 99% of people overall thinking that was a good learning opportunity. For the online learning events during the week, parental mental health and the impact on children was the most highly attended session, followed by National Review into Star and Arthur, followed by the Dark Web, Understanding the Risks of Why Young People May Access It event. All of these sessions were recorded and are available on the NYSCP YouTube channel. The NYSCP has also introduced a new version of the e-bulletin in both podcast and vodcast form. These are available from our YouTube channel. The NYSCP also, in conjunction with the Community Safety Partnership and the Safeguarding Adults Board, are releasing a series of podcasts about modern slavery across the next few weeks to raise awareness of modern slavery for frontline practitioners, what to look out for and what to do if you think anyone is a victim of modern slavery. For further information, visit the NYSCP Spotify channel or visit the NYSCP YouTube channel for more information. We want to again raise with partners the need to share information. The Partnership Information Sharing Form gives professionals and those who work with children and young people a safe and direct way to share information with the police. You can report information to the police through the Partnership Information Sharing Form if you have information about a concerning incident, you have witnessed suspicious activity, there is an unusual exchange between 2 or more people, or something that makes a professional or person working with children and young people feel uncomfortable. The Partnership Information Sharing Form is there to share information about these nature of concerns. If you have a direct concern about a child or a young person, then you can also refer those children to the Children and Family Service using the Universal Referral Form. Further information is available on the NYSCP website in the top right corner. Just click on the button that says Worried About a Child. Every month we will be asking our readers to do your part. This month our focus is on Anti-Slavery Day and Hate Crime Awareness between the 14th and 21st of October. For more information, visit our e-bulletin or listen to the podcast, watch the video version on YouTube, and also if you want to subscribe to our e-bulletin, the link is on the screen. Did you know you can access the NYSCP website to your phone for quick access? On an Apple phone, you can do this to your home screen while viewing a website. Tap in the menu bar, scroll down to the list of options, and then add to home screen. If you don't see add to home screen, you can add it, scroll down to the bottom of the list, tap edit actions, and then tap add to home screen. The icon appears only on the device where you add it. If you're an Android user, you can add a website icon to your Android home screen for quick access also. Launch the browser and visit the website. Press Menu and then select Bookmarks. Long press the bookmark and click Add Shortcut to Home Screen, and that will put an icon on your screen. There are a number of upcoming masterclasses over the next several months. We have 2 masterclasses remaining this year on the 8th of November and the 6th of December. In January we have the MACE masterclass. In February we'll be looking at learning from the ladder, and in March is the 2024 version of the Counter-Terrorism Local Profile. We also have the Early Years Summer Masterclass and Autumn Masterclass, which you can book on now. These are for childminders and early years providers. For more information, visit the training page on the NYSCP website. These are all of the key contacts for the NYSCP. We have our website, safeguardingchildren.co.uk. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook and YouTube. We have our podcast, and we are now available on LinkedIn as well. Don't forget, you can also subscribe to our e-bulletin for further information.
Hello, this is the North Yorkshire Safeguarding Adults Board Q3 updates for local safeguarding partnerships to give you updates on the key areas of work of the board. Joint Safeguarding Adults Policy and Procedures. The existing Joint Safeguarding Adults Policy and Procedures have been transferred onto an easy-to-use online system which is managed by TRIACS. These are for the use by all partner organisations in West Yorkshire, North Yorkshire and the City of York. You can access the Joint Multi-Agency Safeguarding Adults Policy and Procedures by using the link on the slide. A recording is also available of a recent online session which gives an overview of how to navigate the site. Again, the link is here detailed on the slide. A gentle reminder that partners are reminded to sign up to receive updates from TRIACS, and the link is again on the slide. Joint Safeguarding Adults Policy and Procedures. A new practice guidance has also been produced by TRIACS on understanding fabricated or induced illness in adults. This will be added to the TRIACS practice guidance section as soon as it becomes available. North Yorkshire Safeguarding Adults Board is supporting the Hate Crime Awareness Week and Anti-Slavery Day, which is on the 18th of October. The full calendar of campaign events is available on the Safeguarding Adults website. In addition, guidance on the development of safeguarding adults policies and procedures, including an adult safeguarding policy template, has been reviewed and updated. Similarly, this guidance will be uploaded onto the North Yorkshire Safeguarding Adults Board website when it becomes available. Work is underway to look at suicide, drug, alcohol-related deaths and serious incidents data in a holistic approach under the umbrella term of All Deaths Together. We have already identified some early themes, and there is a significant piece of work currently ongoing around ensuring access to Care Act assessments for people with problematic substance use is available. The Care Quality Commission Assurance Framework is something that partners will be involved with as part of the assessment process, and their views will be sought. A key theme from both integrated care system and adult social care assessments is ensuring that the voice of people is evident and heard. 5 pilots have been undertaken during the summer of 2023, and work is currently underway to understand learning from those who have been involved with the pilots. The following themes have been the major focus of the pilots: quality, safety, integration and leadership. A session will be held at North Yorkshire Safeguarding Adults Board Development Day on the 17th of November 2023, where we will consider the implementation of making safeguarding personal, work with community safety partnerships and children's safeguarding partnerships, as well as understanding our approach to quality audits of making safeguarding personal and safeguarding practice. We will also look at how the board receives and acts on feedback from people with lived experience and representative groups for people such as Advocacy and Health Watch. There is a wealth of information and resources available on the North Yorkshire Safeguarding Adults Board, which will also allow you to keep up to date with what's currently going on. We have 1-minute guides, we have keeping safe resources, we also have training available, as well as the North Yorkshire Safeguarding Board procedures. In addition to this, there's also our newsletter, and via social media we have our Twitter account, and there's information available on the website. Local Safeguarding Partnerships. If you would like more information about the local safeguarding partnerships, there are contact details below for the chair and the business support of each of these. We have them based in Harrogate and Craven, Scarborough, Whitby and Rydale, Hambleton and Richmondshire and Selby. You can also find out more information about the local safeguarding partnership, including their terms of reference and copies of the quarterly updates on safeguardingadults.co.uk about us LSPs.